Hey everyone, Marquez here. One of the most common questions I get is, Marque, how do I get started with coding? And honestly, it's a fair question. It can seem daunting, right? Well, today we're diving into the top 3 resources to start learning coding for absolutely free. That's right, no hidden fees, no subscriptions, just pure, unadulterated coding knowledge at your fingertips. Whether you're a complete newbie or just looking to brush up on your skills, these platforms have got you covered. We'll break down the strengths of each, compare their approaches, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to start your coding journey. So, whether you're dreaming of building the next viral app, crafting elegant websites, or maybe even diving into the world of game development, stick around because we're about to unlock a world of possibilities, all without spending a dime. Let's get started. First up, we've got Codecademy. If you're new to coding, Codecademy is your best friend. It eases you into programming with a user-friendly interface and bite-sized lessons. You get instant feedback and see your code come to life in the browser. They offer languages from HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to Python and Ruby. Whether building websites or analyzing data, Codecademy has a path for you. The experience feels gamified, earning badges as you progress. And did I mention it's free? The free tier is enough to get you started. Next up, we have Free Code Camp, and this one's all about community and hands-on experience. See, Free Code Camp isn't just a learning platform, it's a movement, a global community of people passionate about learning to code and using their skills for good. What sets Free Code Camp apart is its focus on project-based learning. Right from the get-go, you're diving into building real-world projects, which is honestly the best way to learn. You'll create web pages, build interactive applications, and even tackle data analysis projects, all while building up a portfolio to showcase your skills to potential employers. But here's where the community aspect comes in. Free Code Camp has a massive online forum where you can connect with fellow learners, ask for help when you're stuck, and even collaborate on projects. It's like having a 24/7 support system of coding enthusiasts cheering you on. And the best part? As you progress through the curriculum, you'll have the opportunity to put your skills to use by building projects for nonprofits. That's right, you can contribute your coding superpowers to make a real difference in the world while simultaneously gaining practical experience. It's a win-win situation. Free Code Camp is all about learning by doing, collaborating with others, and giving back to the community. If that sounds like your kind of learning environment, then Free Code Camp is definitely worth checking out. Finally, we have GitHub, and this one's a bit different. See, GitHub isn't technically a learning platform in the traditional sense. It's more like a massive online library for code, a place where developers from all over the world come together to share their projects, collaborate, and contribute to the open source community. Think of it like the ultimate collaborative coding space. You can find code for literally anything on GitHub, from simple website templates to complex machine learning algorithms. And the beauty of it is that most of the code on GitHub is open source, meaning it's free to use, modify, and distribute. Now, GitHub can seem intimidating at first, especially if you're just starting out. But trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's an invaluable resource for learning and growing as a developer. Here's how you can leverage GitHub for your coding journey. First, start exploring. Find projects that interest you, see how they're built, and don't be afraid to dive into the code. Second, contribute. Find open source projects that align with your interests and see if you can contribute. Even small contributions like fixing a bug or adding a new feature can be a great learning experience. And finally, build your own projects and put them up on GitHub. It's a fantastic way to showcase your skills, get feedback from the community, and even collaborate with other developers. GitHub is like the ultimate playground for coders, a place where you can learn, experiment, and contribute to the ever-evolving world of software development. So there you have it, 3 incredible resources that unlock a world of coding knowledge absolutely free. Whether you prefer Codecademy's structured approach, Free Code Camp's project-based learning, or GitHub's open source environment, there's a perfect fit for every aspiring coder out there. Now, I'm curious, what's your favorite resource for learning to code? Have you tried any of these platforms before, or do you have other hidden gems you swear by? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. See ya!